Ano sir, di na kaya?
Wait, timer. Lakas pala si
Sir Eds.
Soto pa ako eh.
Ah, sige po, ingat, ingat. Ingat
Boss
sir.
Jerman, transfer ko lang ha.
Ingat, ingat.
Yes. Pass to go. Marks. Go. 2 points. Ball down. Pasok.
Ay, dos ba yung una?
Ah, try ko.
Score 3-2. Favor of white. Inside to white. White. Basket. Concept. 2 points. 1 point. Yes, the ball. Six four, paper for that. Sparks for 3. Shot. Well, to Mendoza, inside pass. Mendoza. Pabella, yes. Dribble the ball. Good defense by the bench. Pass to Mark. Inside the Parks. Parks again. 1 point. Score 65. Pass to Mendoza. 1 point. 7-5. Time remaining 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Jeff, giving the ball. Kick away. Stolen by Ponce. Ponce. Pull up. Stolen by Ponce. 8-5. 2 minutes remaining. First half. Doctora. Doctora inside to Mark. Nice touch by Mark. It's good. 9-6. Last 40 seconds. Ponce. The ball. Goes inside. Rebound instead. Park with the ball. For 3. Ponce. Passes to the ball. Looking. Good.
10 seconds.
Last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. Change score ka pala. Sorry. Score 10-6 in favor of black. Change score.
Ano ba to?
Inaayos pa po. Inaayos pa po ang timer.
Committee timeout.
Back to the ball game. Yes, passes to Mark. Foul. Foul ball. Score 10-6. For 3. Rebound by Mark. Breaking the ball. Diretso. Ponce. Pasok. Score 11-6. Doctora with the ball. Doctora. Diretso. Rebounded by Robert. Barquet. All the way post to post. Mendoza, mid-range. Yes, the ball passes to Parks. First, inside, Doctora. 11-8. What a shot by Doctora. Mendoza goes up inside. Last, time remaining 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Doctora. Wait, 2-24. Andaya on the way. Free throw line upper. Pasok. 12-8 in favor of Black. Time remaining. Last 6 minutes. To win the game, last 6 minutes. Mark. Wala. Give one of them now. Ponce, Miranda. Ponce. Una passes to Marquez. Pasok. 13-8. 5-point lead. Doctora. Passes to Marquez. Pasok. 13-9. Apat na lang. Alalaman. Doctora, dribbling the ball. Passes to Marquez. For 3. Wala. Rebound sa pass. Dinagata. Passes to Doctora. Doctora on the way. Foul. Counted. 13. 10. 3-point lead na lang. Behind the back to Marquez. Back to Marquez. Pasok. 14. Last 5 minutes. 5 minutes remaining. Yes, 14. Good. Yeah. That's the second goal. 12. The ball. Pasok. 2 points. 16-10. 6-point lead.
Lamang yung 16.
Doctora. Doctora.
Tatlong game.
Foul.
Kasi paano muna ako? Papalit lang ako damit. Basa eh.
Score 16-10. In favor of the inside pass to Marquez. That's good. Parks. Ponce, 1-on-1 on Marquez. Left-handed. Rebound to defense by Jen. Jen on the way. Long pass. 16-10. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Parks. 6-point lead by Pasok! 16-12. 4-point lead na lang. 3 minutes and 20 seconds pa. Titira. Rebounded by White. Parks. Back to the rebounded by Chris. 4-point lead na lang. Rebounded by Chris. Ponce, back to Mabel. Mendoza, Mabel. Nice defense by Doctora. Good. Two minutes and 38 seconds na lang po. 3-point lead by the Black Team. Score 16-10 lead. 2 minutes, mahaba-haba pa yan. Andaya.
Not counted.
Wala. Score 16-12. Nakapit wala yun sa Mendoza. Inino. Pasok. 16-13. 3-point lead. Ilang minutes na lang po. 1 minute and 50 seconds for 3. 20 seconds na na. Mendoza. Mid-range again. Wala. Mendoza again. Mendoza. Andaya. Wala. Ano?
Wala pa rin.
Back. 35 seconds. One set. 25 seconds. 1 point lead. Wala. Yes, rebound. 20 seconds pa. 70-16. Diretso na yung kuha. 3, 1, 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
All!
Eh!
All of 4.